Hello， 大家好，欢迎来到 Handyman to You Channel， 我是马西翁。今天我要跟大家分享我在这间厕所安装的所有 accessory 哦。Drop it。所以在我后面这里有一个镜子，这镜子里面其实是有插座的，所以等一下你会看到我怎么样安装这两个电的插头咯。
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? 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 Then will you get bored of killing me?
OK， 这个就是今天我要跟大家分享的厕所安装系列。所以如果你有看我上一集的洗手盆，这个就是它的镜子，然后这镜子有灯的咯。如果你喜欢这一类型 DIY 啊、makeover 啊、装修啊，怎么安灯风扇、弄电、弄水这样子的 content 啊，可以考虑 subscribe Handyman to You channel， 然后打开旁边那个小铃铛哦。所以下次有新的 video 啦，你就不会 miss out 了。谢谢你们的收看。如果你喜欢这个影片的话，记得点赞分享哦。我们下一集再见。